of this initiative that we are undertaking.
And we would be happy to have you in again to evaluate all of this, just like I told my first guest, so that we are monitoring and Nigerians are getting value for money. I must thank you so much. Interesting conversation, I must say, this Monday afternoon. Mr. Abba Aliyu, live from our Abuja studios, Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer of the Rural Electrification Agency. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.
All right, then. Well, interesting conversations today, if you agree with me. But it's time to move to markets. And Mr. Jami Mohammed is already standing by via Zoom. APT Securities and Funds Limited is an equities trader there. Mr. Mohammed, it's good to have you this Monday afternoon. How are you today? Mr. Mohammed, are you there?
Okay, good afternoon, Tolu. It's a pleasure to be here on the program this afternoon.
Yes. It's the month of December, and it's few days to Christmas. Is Santa coming to the exchange? What are we expecting this month?
Yes, it's a pleasure to be here. As I said earlier, good afternoon, viewers. It's expected that Santa Claus rally is expected to come in few days. Because of what it has been traditionally experienced in the market for more than a decade that we have it. But this year, the difference that this year will make is that, this Santa Claus rally is what the international fund manager used to do the balancing of their portfolio. But this year on, we are in doubt whether it will occur. Again, just because of two things. One, most of the stocks are gained from the beginning of the year. And as of today, as we speak, the year-to-date return is around 30%. Even if we should expect it, it may not be as magnitude as we used to see it. Secondly, those international fund managers, most of them have exited our market because of the fact that Nigerian market has been classified as unclassified in one of the reports being sent to us, being released by Morgan Stanley Capital, one of the global investment banking firm in the world. So these are the concerns that we have. But as we speak today, the fundamental the market is having is still there because of the fact that most of the listed companies have good results to support the fundamentality around the prices that they are trading currently in the market. So it's doubtful, but we are still expecting the rally to occur.
And even the banks, everyone is saying they are doing pretty well now at this time where they're trying to recapitalize. I heard the CBN governor said on Friday that the banks are already meeting up far ahead of the 2026 deadline. So does that also mean that a lot of eyes will be on the stocks of the financial institutions? Do you think so?
Yeah, I would say it's a commendable effort of the banks to have come to the market and raised more than 5 trillion from the market. We were thinking that it's not going to be possible because most of the banks are coming at a time to raise funds in the market. But all of them have successfully raised the fund, and the CBN is still undergoing, is still going through the source of the capital because they have to verify the source of the capital being provided so far. So we're still waiting for them to come up. But despite that, you see, after the public offer, the right issue that most of these banks, listed banks did, their prices has gone significantly up more than what it were before they come to the market. So these are and don't forget that the high interest yield environment in Nigeria now is one working for those banks positively. And that is why you see most of those top banks, especially FUBAs, most of them are trading in the earning multiples of 2. So this is a plus to this company, but that does not mean that the rally may not occur. it is, but we are doubtful of the rally in this year.
Good to start the week with you, Mr. Jamil Mohammed, Equities Trader at APT Funds Limited. Thank you, Equities and Fund Limited. Thank you so much and have a productive week.
Thank you very much. A pleasure.
Well, crude oil prices rose today, supported by strong factory activities in China, the world's second largest oil consumer, and heightened tensions in the Middle East as Israel resumed attacks on Lebanon despite the ceasefire agreement. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose 0.97% to sell for $68.66 per barrel. Brent crude is up 0.93%, selling for $72.51. Bonny Light is down 2.84%, selling for $78.62. OPEC basket is down 1.56% to sell for $71.82 per barrel. Well, that's our show this Monday. Thank you so much for being a part of it. I'll see you tomorrow with another very interesting episode. Thank you so much. Stay safe, get busy, and get the cash. I'll see ya.
Hello, TVC